Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2020 Keystone, Montana 3760 FL. That's right, front living. See here the fiberglass nose cap, and what looks like is a full paint nose cap. It's actually a window up there. Yep, it's tinted so it doesn't look like a window from outside. Break it down a little bit, some of the stuff you're going to find on this Montana. The road armor, hitch, and suspension for a better tow. The automatic leveling. Right here you just push a button. That's a picture of it right here. You push a button and this thing levels itself right up. The bulk of your storage for these is in the rear, but we're going to take a look at it up here. 3 slides on this side. See them? 1, 2, 3. The other side, there are 2. Tightest turning radius in the industry for sharper turns with your pickup. You don't have to worry about that cap and your pickup window connecting. It's not a good thing. We'll save the inside for a bit, but here it is, 3760 FL. Of course, it's a 4-season trailer. Step above, love those steps because they're so stable. Smaller door on this side than the other, but you can see there's the access to your storage up front, and the rest of that door that is wider covers your water station. 6 jacks. When they're all down and automatically leveled, this thing is so stable. There's your suspension, road armor as well, alloy wheels, all storage. Got the thicker doors, but this is the amazing thing. Open her up and voila, like it's all connected. You can really see the aluminum framework it took to build this coach. Keep the weight down, plus make it durable with the thicker walls the Montana has and other RVs. That's where a lot of your insulation comes from. Let's take a look at the interior. Camera ready. Awning, 2 awnings I should say. You got an awning here plus the one that comes out over the slide, give you a nice big covered porch area. Let's get back inside here, and we're in. Okay, to the left, living quarters, I should say, the bedroom and bathroom. To the right, the living room. Let's go up in the living room first. Couple steps up and we're here. We've got opposing sofas, one on each side. Theater seating, Thomas Paine electric recliners, and a television that pops up right here. It's going to be in front of this window, so if you don't want the view, you can watch TV. Roller blinds instead of the old pull downs, and electric fireplace. Plus, as all Montanas, they're just kind of over the top with all the cabinetries and the fit and finish. Here's your view from up above. You see down into the kitchen. When you walk in here, everything at a finger's touch. Double door refrigerator. A little baker's bench here with a backsplash built in. Or you could put another TV here if you want. One in the kitchen. Storage below. Storage in the middle. Solid surface countertops. Stainless steel. Garbage pail. Stainless steel, I meant to finish that. That's the sink. Dual basin stainless steel. See how well they seal these. You know, if you're going to have an area where there's water present, you're going to want that. They even seal back here. You know, if you spelt something, you sure don't want it to run behind the counter and then collect somewhere behind all these drawers. The accent lights, kind of neat, especially at night. We have those on the ceiling too. Quite a different array of lights. Fantastic fan up there. Speakers overhead. Is that? Oh no, that's part of the ducting. Take it back. The speakers are up there. There's our dinette. That's the slip away, and if you need power here, you can just push a button and voila, power strip pops up. Lots of windows. Enjoy the view. Back here, we got a toilet and half bath. More storage. More storage. If you got a lot of stuff, this one's calling your name. King size bed. Huge closet here. Washer dryer ready, it looks like. It's also pretty roomy inside there. It's mirrored on the front, so you can close it. You got a dressing mirror. You also have a dresser built in here with a TV over the top. Additional storage. And check out this big roomy bathroom. A his and hers sink. Drawers for linens. When most bathrooms, linen storage is completely an afterthought. Big shower, skylight over the top, fantastic fan, And of course the porcelain toilet. The 3760 FL Montana. It's right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay. 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com, Coos Bay.